असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hi, this is BVKR. In this session, we'll learn about class 7th, chapter 6, exercise 6.5, question number 3. So we already learned about this question by using giving the solution by using the proportional method, but this time we will give the solution by using unitary method, right? So unitary method, and also there is one special formula to be find the cost price when the selling price and percentage of gain has given. Okay, let's enter into the solution. Let's go. We're gonna be write the first one. The selling price of land, SP of land is 2,40,000 and gain percent is 20%. Okay, this is the given information. By using this information, so let us find the cost price. So by using unitary method, or else you can use direct method, direct formula to find the CP of land. Right. How to find it? There is a formula I will tell you. By using those formula, that formula also you can find the selling price. Sorry, cost price. When selling price and gain percent has given, we have a special formula. CP of the land equals 100 by 100 plus gain percent into selling price. This is very important formula to be keep it in our mind all the time. 100 by 100 plus gain percent into selling price. You can substitute all these values in this formula. This is 100 by 100 plus gain percent. How much it is? Gain percent is 20. Right, into SP is 2,40,000. Right. But then 100 by 100 plus 20, 120 into 2,40,000. Right. So simplify. 0, 0, 12 ones, 12 twos. When use zeros, then we will get 20,000. Here it is a 10. So 10 into 20,000, that equals 2 lakhs. What is this? This is cost price. This is the way we find the cost price of. So this is the formula to find the cost price of an article or a thing or anything when the selling price and the gain percent has given. And I will tell you one more formula to the cost price. To find the cost price when the selling price and loss percent has given. So we use this formula to be give the what is the cost price. So cost price equals 100 by 100 minus loss percent into selling price. And next, to find the selling price, this time in the problem, from the problem we get the cost price and gain percent, and that means when the cost price and gain percent has given, it is asking us to find the selling price. We use this formula: 100 plus gain percent by 100 into CP. Right. After that, when the loss percent is given, okay, CP and the loss percent is given, then we use this formula to be to show the selling price, right? Selling price when the loss percent and sale cost price, 100 minus loss percent. See, we have observed this. We should observe. We have to observe one thing. When the gain has given the percent of gain, we are adding to the 100. That means if the cost price is 100 rupees, the selling price is 100, the gain percentage is 100 plus the gain percent, right?